In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Claude Code free forever. We will set up Claude Code to run entirely on your computer by routing it through Ollama. So you get powerful agentic coding without subscription fees or API costs. In practice, free here means you are using open source models locally on your own hardware. Expect larger initial downloads and that performance will depend on your machine, but you won't be billed per token or need any API keys. First, install Ollama from the official website for your operating system. Ollama is a lightweight local model runner that manages downloads and provides a simple local API. After installing, open your terminal or command prompt so we can fetch a capable coding model. Next, pull an open-source coder model with Ollama. A strong, widely used option is Qwen 2.5 Coder. Type Ollama pull Qwen 2.5 Coder. Ollama will download the model and prepare it for use. If you prefer alternatives, models like DeepSeek Coder work too. Just swap the name in the pull command. The first download can be several gigabytes, so give it time and make sure you have sufficient disk space. Now install the Claude Code command line tool globally so you can launch it from anywhere. Run npm install -g at Anthropic AI/Claude Code. This uses your system's Node.js and npm. So make sure those are available. Installing globally adds the Claude command to your path, which is what we'll use to start the agent. With your model pulled and the 151 installed, launch Claude Code and point it at the local Ollama model. Use Claude model Ollama /Q Qwen 2.5 Coder. This flag tells Claude Code to talk to Ollama's local API and to use the model you just downloaded, giving you the coding assistant experience without any external API. If you chose a different model name, replace Qwen 2.5 Coder accordingly. From here, you can prompt the assistant, iterate on code, and run agentic tools while keeping everything local. Some setups also support a quick start via Ollama launch Claude. If your environment recognizes that shortcut, it will spin up Claude Code wired to Ollama automatically. If it doesn't, no problem. The explicit Claude model approach is the most reliable and portable way to run. That's the whole flow. Thanks for watching.